Hello everyone, and welcome back. Welcome to Beamwork YouTube channel. Today, we're going to dive into the view range settings in Autodesk Revit. When working with view range in Revit, there are two primary viewing directions, look up and look down. The look down option is used for standard plan views, while look up is used for ceiling views. In this tutorial, we'll focus exclusively on look down. Let's start by drawing a generic 200mm wall. Next, I'll place a door and a window on this wall. Notice how the window isn't visible in our plan view even though it's placed in the wall. That happens because of the view range configuration. View range consists of four main parameters: top, cut plane, bottom, and view depth. To visualize this better, let's cut a section view. We can go to the section view and click Split View to arrange our screen. Here, level 2 is set to 3,600mm, so I'll adjust the wall height to align with level 2. Okay? Now, let's draw 4 reference planes to represent the view range levels and label them. Top, cut plane, bottom, and view depth. Let's add dimensions to these planes. Normally, view range offsets use positive values, measuring upwards from the associated level. If you enter a negative value, it measures downwards below the level. Most visibility rules depend directly on the cut plane. Right now, our cut plane is set to 2,300mm. The top is at 3,000mm, and both bottom and view depth are set to 0. The door remains visible because it contains a 2D symbol representation. However, for a window to show up in a plan view, the cut plane must physically intersect the window. So let's open the View Range dialog box and change the cut plane height to 1,500 millimeters. Click Apply, and as you can see, the window is now fully visible in our plan view. And that's how the view range works in Revit. I hope this makes the concept clear. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and share this video. See you in the next tutorial. Have a great day.